Surprise, surprise, surprise! It is a Tuesday, and no, this is not our regular video for the Wow Factor dessert. You guys, I am working on it though. But I thought today we gotta do something for the kiddies. You know, for all of those who celebrate Halloween, you know, I wanted to give something for the kids that's simple, easy, and they can actually take part in it, which would be so fun. It's just a simple, fun treat for the kids. So we're gonna do marshmallow ghost. I gotta show you guys what I found at Michael's, which is so awesome, because if you're like me, I'm not an artist, but I can take a pen and kind of, you know, draw things on it. But with that being said, you guys, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want to just keep reminding my ride or die subscribers, you guys rock. Miss O got the, I don't know what you want to call it, the sniffles. Last week it was 80 something here in Dallas. Now it's 42, so it's like, okay, Miss O gonna have to take a leave or some NyQuil or something, you know, to kick this out before our dessert segment come up. But with that being said, you guys, let's get started. I'm always forgetting something. Please share and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload videos. And please comment. Okay, the holidays are coming up. If it's something that you want me to cook or something you need to ask me about, please comment below. You got to remember, I am working for you guys. You guys are not working for me. So if you have questions or comments, please ask them. And if I can help you with it, I will. All right, let's get this train on the track and let's get these marshmallows done. All right, you guys, here we go. Now we're going to make ghostly marshmallows. So you can use any toppings that you like. I'm just going to show you what I have. Here I have graham cracker crust. Here I have some sprinkles that I got at Michael's. And I'm hoping these will stick. I'm not for sure. I got these little Halloween balls. Here I have crushed Oreo cookies. Here I have coconut. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 of the little marshmallows. And of course I'm going to give them away. All right, and let me show you what I found. Here are, can you see that? Food, water, markers. So it's edible color. So I thought this would be pretty cool for the kids to take the pen and actually write on the marshmallow. It's safe, it's food, water, and you can eat it. Here I just have just a regular bag of marshmallows, you know, nothing fancy. And you're gonna have to dip the top of the heads with the marshmallow. So I just made a small cream cheese icing, and we're gonna dip the top of the head of the marshmallows in that. And let me show you, I've already done, I'm sorry, and I got these little pretzel sticks. No, they didn't come like this. They just came brown. And I just took the marker, if I can get this out. Please forgive me for these gloves. You guys, my hands hurt so bad. I think I'm kind of OCD when it comes to washing my hands. I know I wash them at least 50 to 60 times a day. Okay, these are just salted pretzels. And I took the little black marker and I just marked on them. So to give it, you know, kind of a nice little effect. And let me show you the two that I've done. So all you're going to do is take a marshmallow, dip it in, I got the cream cheese filling. You can actually melt some chocolate and dip it in the chocolate if you like. but I just decided to use the cream cheese filling. And let me show you two of them I've already done, which I think is so cool. Look at there, you guys. Are those cool? Just by the markers. And this is the Oreo crust on top of his head. And then here's the other marshmallow with the sprinkles. And I just gave him a sad face. All right, let's get these marshmallows done. And I will be back. This is not a long video at all. If I can cut it off. Okay, I'm going to give you an example how I'm going to do one. So here's the marshmallow here. We're going to take it in the cream cheese frosting. I hope you can see that. And you see, can you see that? We're just going to wipe the sides of it off into the bowl. Then we're going to dip it in the graham cracker crust. Just kind of twist it around like that. And voila. You have the head of the marshmallow with the graham cracker crust. And what I'm going to do next is take the pretzel stick, and I'm going to push it all the way in. Now on this one, I'm going to write boo. So I'll have to come back and show you because I can't write it and keep the video going, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. You see how I just wrote boo on it? But let's do this. Let's go ahead and top the heads of them off. Put the pretzel stick in, put them in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Then let's come back and write on it, because this one it didn't write too well because it should have been cold. But hopefully you guys get the idea. So I'm gonna pump these out, come back, and I'll show you guys the final presentation. But that is pretty cool. And of course your kids only need about one, because this is a sugar rush heaven. All right, I'll be back. Okay, Raw family, here is the finished presentation of the ghostly marshmallows. You see how cute they came out? I mean, you can take your imagination as far as you like. And I know your kids would love it because it's so simple and so easy. Let me just try to get a close-up. Okay, here you go one. All right, he got the graham cracker crust hat on. This one has the Oreo hat on, and all of them have pretzel sticks. Is that cool or what? Now, I will say, make sure your kids share them, because they will be running around the house for a long time with all of this sugar. But again, thank you for watching. Please share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys again this week for our dessert. God bless you.